guys, Selam, welcome to Harry's Baking. On this video, I will be showing you how I made this super delicious vegan cinnamon rolls. I hope you're going to find this video useful. If you do like it, please hit the like button. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get more of my videos. Enjoy!
You're the reason why.
So here we have 3 tablespoons of water. I place it in a clean bowl. It's room temperature water, guys, like so. And I will be using egg replacer for this recipe. If you want, you can skip this step, but I use the Bob's Red Mill egg replacer, and you can find this at supermarket, okay, in a nearby grocery store. I'm sure you can find it. So I used 1 tablespoon. Alright, so I placed it like so. I added it in my water and I mixed it. So keep on mixing, guys, until it's all smooth and nice. Okay, see, now it's thick and smooth, and this is what we want, so it's all good. Now I will set that aside, and here I have 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I already sifted it, and yeast, salt, sugar. So I mix them all together, mixing, guys. Okay, keep on mixing, and it's all good. I will set this aside as well. And here I have almond milk. I used almond milk, and I placed it in the microwave, and it's a bit warm. Okay, so it's 1 cup, and then half a cup of vegetable oil. Alright, then I mix that also together and set it aside. So now I will mix all my ingredients, or add all my ingredients. Okay, I added the egg replacer, the almond mix, and then the flour. Okay, the dry ingredients, I mean. So now we're going to knead this. I didn't add the whole dry ingredient. I just added half of it. Okay, so I'm going to knead a bit like so. Okay, then I will add the rest of the dry ingredients. Okay, and then I will keep on kneading for about 7 minutes. You can use your hand as well. I always use my hand. This is actually my first time using this, and it's not bad, it's nice. I just didn't trust it, so you know. I tried to knead a bit with my hand, but it was all smooth, so it's good. Okay, so it looks like this, looking good. So now I form like a ball, and I will add some oil on it so it doesn't stick after it rises. Okay, it doesn't stick to the ball. So now when it's you know, all greased up and stuff, I will cover it all with plastic wrap, and then I'll put a towel on top of it. Okay, like so, and place it in a hot area so it doubles in size. Okay, for about 2 hours. So in the meanwhile, I will show you how I did the cinnamon mix, or the brown sugar mix. Here I have 1 cup of light brown sugar. I added the cinnamon and then nutmeg. So I make sure that this is completely blended or combined. Okay, so now we're good. We set that aside, and our dough is ready after 2 hours. Please don't forget to poke. Okay, because it's so much fun. And now we have to knead it back to its place. It looks good and smells good as well. And on our work surface, we put flour on it so it doesn't stick. Okay, when we roll, and then we will roll the dough, guys. Keep on rolling until it's all flat. It takes time, guys, but we did it. and then we apply oil on the dough. Okay, like so. And then I added the brown sugar mix. Okay, I made a mistake of doing it all the way to the edge. When you guys do it, just don't do it, all the way to the edge, okay? Because later on when I tried to stick it, it gave me really headache. So that's my advice. Okay, so now when you roll it, you have to roll it tight. Okay, keep rolling tight. Keep rolling, guys, and keep liking my video and sharing, please. I'll appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys. So it looks like this. Now it's nice and tight. The end is a bit it's not as thick, so I cut that out, and I try to cut in equal portions. Okay, so I tried this, and here my dough didn't stick. Make sure you pinch the end. Okay, put some water on it, brush some water, and then pinch it so the dough sticks. Okay, later on that's what I did, but at first it was not sticking and I was like, what the hell? Okay, so there you go. And then I greased my pan and I placed it like so on the pan. Okay, and I will cover this and again set it aside for about 45 minutes until it doubles in size and rise. Okay, so after 45 minutes it looks like this. I will place it in a preheated oven, okay, for 20 to 30 minutes. There you go. And then this is for the glaze. This is 1 cup of powdered sugar, vanilla, and some water. You can use almond milk as well if you want. Then we mix it together, okay, until it's smooth. So this is what our glaze looks like. It looks good. Okay, there you go, all smooth. Okay, then here is our cinnamon roll. It's ready, and I let it cool for 10 minutes. After that I added my glaze on top. Okay, so this one you can do as much as you want. If you want more sugar, more sweet, you can add more of the glaze. Okay, but this is it, guys. It's all done, and I'm sure you guys are going to love it as well. Thank you for watching so far, if you made it so far. If you haven't, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell to get more of my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.